Hello everyone and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So today we're going to do another pre-prohibition cocktail called the Bijou. Right? With this cocktail, we use mason glass. We're going to go 1.5 ounces of gin. And again, I'm using the Rogo gin. I do like this gin. It's Japanese. We're going to go 1 ounce of a Sweet Vermouth. We're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of the Green Chartreuse. And this is the knockoff version because the real version is extremely hard to find. And lastly, we're going to do 2 dashes of orange bitter. And some change. Give it just a quick little stir. Then we're going to add some ice. All right, we're going to stir this to chill. And then strain it in our glass. Mistakes happen, people. And there you have it, a Bijou. Cheers. You can taste that gin, the vermouth. All these flavors play well together, believe it or not. But don't forget to like, follow, and share. Cheers.